So guys, quick tour ko lang kayo dito sa bagong open na Xiaomi store here sa Circuit Makati. And you can see that I'm right now using the all-new Xiaomi 12S Ultra. And tutur ko lang kayo dito. And the design of the store is really cozy. So you can see that the Xiaomi 12 series is being displayed dito. So some of the phones that are being sold here, like the 12 Pro, 11T Pro, 11T, and 11 Lite 5G. And of course, Xiaomi Watch is also here. Xiaomi Watch S1, Buds 3D Pro, and of course the famous Xiaomi Pad 5. Of course, and the Redmi Book 15 is also here. Yan. So right now, I'm not using any gimbal, just plain hand. So kita natin, the ceiling lamp is also here, some of the air purifiers. And you can see that the mesh is also here. Some vacuums, okay, kettle, oven, air fryers. Okay. So being displayed is all the models of the Xiaomi air purifier 4 na series. Some of the flasks and of course some of the accessories here, pati mga bags is also here. Yeah. The transparent luggage is also here from 90. Okay guys, ito natin ha. And most of these gadgets pwede na makontrol sa Xiaomi phone. Okay. Some of the other items over here. The dash cam. Okay. Buds. Okay. Take a look here. The TV are on display. Xiaomi TV stick. UV dish disinfectant ni Xiaomi. Rice cooker. Okay. Some of the other accessories na would be useful. Some tools like ito, screwdriver. Okay. There are so many products na pwede makita dito sa Xiaomi. Okay. Of course, these are some other products na makita ng mga cables, and of course some routers. This is one of the more premium one, X9000. Okay. So some routers over here. Okay. Speakers. Xiaomi projectors over here. Some smart clock. And some gaming mouse as well. Okay. And dito some Mi Box S. Outdoor speaker. Some buds. Some earphones. And of course, some watch over here. Probably the only thing hindi ko nakita is the Mi Band 7, I guess. Okay. And of course, some robot vacuum in display. So this is one of the standing fan. There. This is the scooter being displayed. Okay. So there. Na-tour ko na kayo dito sa Xiaomi store here in Circuit Makati. So guys, if you're here in the vicinity dito sa Circuit Makati, that's good news dahil nandito na rin ang Xiaomi. So you can drop by here sa upper ground floor ng Circuit Makati for everything that you need from Xiaomi. And yeah, that's it. If you want more of this kind of vlog, just hit me on the comment section below and I'll see you soon.